Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
You can't wear a water party coming. You can't wear them. A water party comes, someone will wake you up.
Party time. Come guys. It's a big time.
Yeah. Ladies, how many ladies could bend over and not bend your knees and touch your toes? Touch your toes. Let me see. Let me see. I want to see every girl bend over and don't bend your knees. Just touch your toe. 1, get ready to bend. 2, get ready to bend. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Every girl go.
Action to your favorite position. Action to your favorite position. Action to your favorite.
Pussy clap. Mickey, hold them, Mickey. Hold them, Mickey. If your pussy is trash, please leave the building. You're not wanted, baby. Go home. I heard this nigga offer $1,000 to fuck this girl this weekend. I said, nigga, are you fucking dumb? Niggas ain't paying for pussy this weekend. Pussy free. You know why? Everybody believe in God. You want it out of here right now. When the aura is, never figure you fall. Let me see. 2, $1,000. Let me see. 1, 2.
Split in the middle.
Stop it. Where's she at? Bring her. I want her. Because I cannot believe she could do that. Come over here. Come. Walk over here. Because John, y'all just think the skinny girls could do it, huh? You could do it too? Somebody help up on stage. Hold on. Let me see. Alright, good.
Hey, I'm coming up.
Hold on, Mocha Fest lady, step to the side real quick.
Wait, I'm coming.
You stay right here. Where the next girl at? You stay right here. Now listen. I'm giving these girls $1,000 if they could do this, right? Hold on. Where she at? You too? Alright, good. Now, listen to what I'm saying. Alright, you stay right there. Listen. Do not split until I tell you. I'm gonna count to 4, okay? Who the fuck is touching me? Alright, bro. Okay, bro. Niggas touching me and shit. Alright. 4 girls. I'm gonna count to 4. When I be like 1, 2, then you jump. Alright? You wanna jump and split 2. Press play. Do not do it yet. it, just wine. Bust a wine. Turn it, bust a wine. Wine and wine. Wine and wine. Wine and wine and wine. Wine and wine. Wine and wine. Wine and wine and wine. Wine and wine. On the count of three. On the count of three, you won't do it. One, get ready. Two, get ready. One, two, 1, 2, 3, go. Titties out. Alright, stop it. As promised, $1,000 to each one of them Jamaican. Alright, Jamaican currency. Hold on. I'm gonna give you $1,000 Jamaican dollars. Give me the money right now. Wait, make some noise. Stop, no music. White twerker over here. White twerker over here. Big old titties over here. I'm gonna give the girls a Jamaican, but you'll get the US. Nigga, she show her titties, bro. Are you dumb? He wanna see your titties for the 500, cause he paying you. Yeah, show your titties too, man. Show her titties. Which titties look better? Come over here. Which titties look better? Hold on, nigga. Does she show her titties? Which titties look better? She got piercings. Let me see your titties. Make some noise for these titties. Make some noise for these titties. Sorry, baby. She got them big old titties. She got them big old suckable titties. She got them titties with them. She got jewelry for her titties too. Tell her your shit and all that. Nobody bothering me no more about titties. Punch you right now. Open up your horizons and listen to some fucking good music. Everybody agree with me? Put your hands up right now. Press play.
Look at people. You make me wanna.
1, 2, 1, 2, everybody. Keep it on the ground. Jumping in the man. You ready, sound? Coming out. We got some bottles coming out. We gotta stop it real quick. We got some bottles coming out. Hold on. We got some bottles coming out. A lot of bottles coming out. A lot of fucking bottles coming out. Now see what's going on. See what's going on. Let's fucking go.
Everybody take a jump up now. Start a wave up now. Start a wine up now. Because it's carnival.
Everybody take a
jump up now. Start a wave up now. Start a wave.
Look at the bottles, they're coming out. Everybody take a jump. Everybody take a jump. Some of y'all know this dance. This shit like 20 years old. If you don't know it, you're gonna learn today. So press play. Yo, all I want you to do is put 2 hands in the air like this and jump. Put 2 hands in the air like stop it. We're gonna do something different. If you're in here with your best friend, put your best friend hand up right now. Put your best friend. Hey. You know you go viral. You go viral. Listen. Queen. No. I want the balance. When the man said jump up, I want you to jump up with your friends and put their hands in the air. When the man said balance, everybody go this way, then go this way. You ready? Everybody put your two hands up. Jump, put your hands up. Right now, we going this way. Two of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of your friends, they want to see you do good. You're not better than them. Don't keep those kind of people around. Everybody who know you with your friends since you was broke, but you making money now with your friends, put your friends' hands up right now. Let's fucking do this.
Oh, this is what they've been waiting for?
DJ Self, Young Joe, DJ Stacks, with Silver, SDL Bully.
I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to rhyme like that.
If you know somebody that passed away and you missed them, put your cell phone lights up right now. Put your cell phone lights up right now. Anybody from New York? I know somebody in New York.
A lot of mama purple kush got me hot.
Alright, hold up. 1, 2.
Gucci down to the socks like I'm give girl help in my Tommy box.
Real quick. She like the way I dance. She like the way I move. She like the way I roll. She like the way I move. She like the way I move.
If you go back for nigga. I'm gonna love a lit bitch.
Some people going back home tomorrow and Tuesday broke. They spent all their money in Muffin-Fest. If that is not you, put your hands up right now. If you're going back home to a real motherfucking shop, if you're making real fucking money, if you make more than $100K a year, put your hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big drip.
I'm gonna love a lit bitch. She wanna suck on the lit dick. Bitch, I get lit with. Bitches, I get lit with. Bitch, spit. I got all you bit with.
Now, all these niggas over there with us style. So we had it, hunt them down. Everybody put your motherfucking hands up to your neck. It's going down, cause I'm around. Young child. What up? What up? What up? What up?
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is. I used to move snowflakes. I guess even back then you can call me CEO of the ROC. Fresh out the frying pan and the frying pan. Music biz #1 supplier. Tied in a piece of paper, bear my name. The hottest chick in the game, wear my chain. That's right. Not DMC, similar to the letters, no one can do that. I check cheddar like a food.
Hold on, right? Because we make money out here. But let me tell you something. If you have a good credit score, that money shit don't mean shit. Everybody who's on a credit score want to set a good kid. Put your motherfucking hands up right now. Bitches. 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 Let's go. Of course he had him like, not it like, whoa baby. My dog's up.
Yo, I'm getting ready to put y'all up on something, man. Yo, anything good on you see it. Have you a good 6 at the curb, that's cool. Just if they got the fully equipped kid on it, it's wrong. Like, you know what I mean? Like, yo, I had this camera, she was had me in the head, I mean. With the shit, diamonds and pearls, I mean. Should've seen that I shot it on the wrist.
Fuck that song real quick. Rest in peace, Black Rob. But hold on, I want to talk to my people real quick. Everybody in here, is somebody you consider your real motherfucking friend, put your hands up right now. I ain't talking about somebody you just met, oh, that's my Muffin-Fest friend. Nah, that's cool. If that is your real motherfucking friend, put your hands up. Now, listen to me. All my niggas in the middle with your niggas. Say, that's my nigga. Say, that's my nigga. Say, that's my nigga. Say, fuck the mother bitches. Hold again.
Get out the way! Get out the way! Get out the way!
Stop it. All my ladies that make your own motherfucking money, make some noise right now. All my independent ladies that don't need no nigga for shit, make some motherfucking noise right now. Hold up. All my ladies that make more money than your bum ass boyfriend, make some fucking noise right now. Which girl in your crew take the longest to fucking get ready, ladies? What you tell her when you're trying to get out of the hotel? Next!
I'm out of town, thugging with my round. My coochie pink, my booty all brown. What it is, I'm looking for a big soul. Bitch down.
Down south. Ladies, it's Mocha Fest. Fuck who you wanna fuck. Have fun. Alright? You worry about the stress and the bullshit when you go home. While you're in Jamaica, feel free. Fuck who you wanna fuck. But what we're talking about this weekend is fun and enjoyment. The phrase for the whole weekend is fuck who you wanna fuck. Fuck all that, whatever stays in Jamaica.
Stays in Jamaica.
That shit always go back to fucking Instagram. As you can see. Just do your shit privately. My name is DJ Young Chow from New York City. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Follow me on Instagram at DJ Young Chow, DJYOUNGCHOW. I might have an after party, but it's at the Royalton, alright? Introducing my next Mocha Fest brother. He goes by the name of DJ L. Bully.
Last. Now everybody go talk breakfast.
Anybody celebrate their birthday right now? Make some noise for the birthday. Judy!
Hands up in the air.
Ladies, you ready real quick? Hold on. All my ladies that came outside with their real friends, make some noise for them. Who you outside with right now, ladies? Hold on. We're at the shop.
Yo, Jamila, hookah girl. Jamila, hookah girl for Boss of Hookahs. Come by the DJ set. Come on stage.
Ladies, follow instruction real quick. You ready?
And I know.
Let's get them involved. Don't worry, y'all. We're gonna play some music. Anybody came outside to see Steph London? Make some noise. Anybody came to see London? Hold up.
for me to leave.
I'm not faking this. Experience, I'm not catching you. I'm on best and feet, I just want it.
Told ya. He said the Mocha Fest people don't know how to party. What am I? Make a party now. Pick up any real West Indian people inside of the building. I don't care what country you come from. If you're proud to be West Indian, put it up. Now,
my house and I have my car. I have my drink and I have my car. I have my peace and I don't want war. I have my rip.
put them up. You need bigger
my
party and the
got my time and I got my things and I got my wings and I fly everywhere.
Rod, I need help.
No friendship.
Shut up. Rod, are you ready for me? I see. Hold on. Jay, don't do that either. Jay, I have to do that either.
Let go the bird.
Let go.
Let go the bird.
Let go.
Let go the bird. Let go the bird. Let go the bird. Right for one. Right for one.
This your body, you put in my heart, fall down, pull down. You see life fall down. If I tell you say I love you, no, don't we go. Tell me no. You gon' give me she gon' give me
Oh baby, $30 billion for the party, oh. Versace and Gucci for the party, oh baby.
Let me say this. I heard yesterday that we got a lot of souls in it, but any Haitians here, my Haitians, all my proud souls, get the fuck out of there, y'all. Where y'all at? Hold up. Where my souls in the building, y'all? I ain't go too hard, you know the God is here. Hold on. Stacks, give me more cheer than me. Alright, hold on. Any proud Haitians in the building, put your hands in there. Where the fuck y'all at? All my souls in the building. Where the souls at? Hold on. Where my souls at? Fuck this shit. Where the souls in the building, y'all? All my souls here. Where the fuck y'all at? Hold on. Tell you I'm about to go somewhere with all of this, y'all. I promise you. Hold on. Well, that's right. Ladies, let me see you move. Jigga and IPS, you know.
She want us
What's that big of the VI? Where the VI is?
shoulders, knees.
Hold on.
Head, shoulder, knees. And over, let it breathe. She ain't nothing easy, so get ready for the teacher. Shoulders, knees, and toes. Head,
Show them enough for one, you know.
head, shoulder, knees. And over, let it breathe. She ain't nothing easy, so get ready for the teacher. It's done fit for the camera. Come people from that center. Video man, she man, yeah, she only want me.
You want speed? Gear 3. You want speed? You want speed? Gear 3. 1, 2. Alright, just write it. Write it. Alright, just write it. Keep on your toe for the fucking girl. Keep on your toe for the fucking girl. Keep on your toe for the fucking girl. Hey, turn back here.
Come back here.
You know the tight put on it.
Everybody making their own money, put your hands in the air right now. I don't care how you get your money. You can work at McDonald's, sell stock CDs. I don't give a fuck what it is. If you make money, put your hands in the air right now, everybody. All right? Let's do this shit, everybody. 20 miles on the dash. We don't want to get the cool, all you negativity needs to Let me play some shit. Let me do I said if you with your real friends, put your arm around.
At the top, it's just us, niggas.
Only if you with your real friends.
But I don't really trust niggas.
Hold on.
It's just us, niggas. But I don't really trust niggas. We eat, we don't fuck with niggas.
Play some music now.
At the top, where you see us, niggas.
I heard Chicago outside. Where the fuck is Chicago? Where the shots out there, y'all? Heard? I heard shots out there. Hold up. I heard. Let's go. Let's get it. I said, can you this bitch out? Hold up. I said, can you this bitch? Oh. I said, can you this bitch? I ain't gonna play nothing new, everybody, alright? I'm gonna play all this old shit. I'm gonna play this old shit. Hold up.
In the fucking scoop, if we look at the zip, nigga, what is you?
Proud niggas, y'all niggas, that's that shit yo shit, make believe, rapping about my own life, real names, kill things, that's that shit I won't like, cause my niggas still selling dope, but they ain't on they third strikes, camping out in that corridor, fuck you waiting on Jordans for, I middleman for 20, just beat me somewhere on Baltimore, that's real nigga, rich nigga, I was in my head nigga, nigga, three hoes.
Anybody that lost their phone, go to the front to Maggie. Ask for Maggie in the front. Anybody got a hater right now, put your middle fingers up.
Man, I'm grateful niggas I don't like.
Cause I ain't a motherfucking job. Stay with the fucking pump. Around and get oh, fuck, shit, bitch, just shut what's up. But she cheating while she texting me. Why you keep calling my phone? Speaking sexually. Anytime I'm mom, why she stressing me? You call it Stephanie?
You still drinking Hennessy? Go up. It's tequila time.
It's $1 million cash for the friend. Try to see the sale by the big person. You know he gonna see this.
Hold on, what we doing? You know, Alright, sorry. If you know you blocked somebody, we just gonna keep it 100. Whoever drove a car here, if you know you blocked somebody on purpose just to come inside the Mocha Fest, go move your car. Right now, license plate.
Go best
Loud up.
Go best friend. That's the type of people I hate.
Welcome to Jamaica, everybody. Ready? Hold on. Show them we can dance. Easy. Everybody ready now? Come. This one is easy. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, hey. Find the birthday person right now. Put your arm around the birthday person.
Everybody inside of the building right now, they know you proud to be alive. Make some noise right now. Everybody inside of the building right now that know you came to Mocha Fest to have a good time. Make some motherfucking noise right now, please. Hold up. Where the fuck y'all at? You see DJ Stocks, DJ Sylvester, Mom Chow, Quicksilver, the whole Mocha Fest staff, Elevate team, everybody that came outside, Brent, big up your bum, Uni, hold on. Hold on. Shoot again. Anybody that came outside with their real friends right now, make some noise. Only if you're outside with your name. You ready? Hold on. Your twins. Hey. On my God.
Drive up, pull up on foot, boys, put a kite, saying, yeah, better road like that. Yeah, we are hard. This is from the bag of muscle, man, but I put down the one man. Who me I like, who me I why, me I put it up, but what's in the get us in the water, that's what I used to do. Put the phone, when it goes to the money.
Everybody inside the building, know you came outside with your rod and dies. If that's you, make some noise right now, alright? Anybody celebrating a birthday with the birthdays inside of the building right now? If you smoke weed, put your fucking hands in the air right now, alright? Everybody that smoke weed, this time, this time. Everybody in the again! Hold up! Let's keep on today, we are there with a man. Hold on! Shoot again! Everybody that know you're happy to be in Jamaica right now, make some motherfucking noise. Yeah, that's what I'm fucking talking about. Everybody right now that know this is your first time in Jamaica and you want to come back, maybe next week, maybe next month. Let me play some more music right now, yo, Stags. Hold up. Let me play one of them songs, you know. Hey. Yo, Mike, big up me, brother. Say about from
Over there and represent for DJ Stocks. We have the whole of Brooklyn, 90s, Flatbush.
Yes, thanks! Oh my God, yo! Turn it up! I said everybody right now, they know you're happy to be in Jamaica. Put your hands in the air now! We gotta feel that song again! Here we go! 1, 2, 3, ready! Tell him! Everything more than a rap. Yeah, man. Turn it up. DJ Stacks, talk to them nigga. Come on. not serious. Let me tell you this. Shout out to my twins in here. I heard a lot of niggas talking shit about Mocha Fest weekend. You don't like Mocha Fest? We don't like you. Fuck you. Big up to all of the guys in the building right now. Stacks, can you play a song one time? There's a lot of niggas here with a bag of man to the VIP. No song, take on, let that go. We in Jamaica. We in Jamaica. Ladies end up getting into arguments and all type of shit. Your home girl got sleeping in the next person in the room and all type of fucking. You know the vibes already. If you here with your real friend, put your friend hand in the air right now. Let me take this party to a whole different level. Pay attention. That shit different. If you here with a real friend, put your friend hand up.
That's my dog.
Who you with in Jamaica?
That's my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. That's my dog. Be my dog. Be my dog. Be my dog. Running through these streets till I pass out.
Shorty, give me neck till I pass out. I swear to God, all I do is cash out.
Shorty like the way that I ball out. I be getting money, time fall out. I'm too cash, though I go fall out.
Show you like the way that I fall out. Let all my dogs out. What'd you tell them? Sarge, pick up your damn shit. Sweaty dance.
Round 7, that's what we
Sweaty dance.
Round shooters, just a G.
Sweaty dance.
GS9, I go so hard.
HPMG, and my guns far.
Shots popping like an angel. I'm a killer, I'm a rush.
You talk about Brooklyn. Yo, Maka. Rip. Tell them niggas free ratio. Somewhere. We in Jamaica. We in Blood Clot, Jamaica. Hold on, step. Show us that.
You're playing the other day.
That's what's that. That's it. Shut up. Online just let me know.
We broken in red light and make it possible. Me, I told you, and if you don't
Jamaica, right? We're on the island of Jamaica. But a lot of niggas there from New York City. If you're from New York City, put a hand in the air right now. If you ever partied in New York City, put a hand in the air right now. Understand what's about to happen. I want to give him some Brooklyn type of jumping. Can I give him some Brooklyn type of jumping now? I want to give him some Brooklyn jumping. One time. Rally up next. I want to give him some Brooklyn jumping. I don't want to play regular no more. You make me rise and go. If you ever been to a Brooklyn party, stats! Voila, that's stats! Stand gunshot in the You know where I come from? Listen!
From just a flat bush, from Bushwick to East New York.
This is called juggling. This is not a regular party tonight. Americans, take your time. Can I take you to the hood? Everybody rise your machine. Tell them. You could run. What time is it? Machiavelli, we let them know. We murder people in our stop it. Stop it.
I want to try to show the love for me. I'm going to take the time from it. I'll make sure that everything works out first. Can I get from
in a real life. Nani up next.
China.
This is a party. Move around. Move around. Move around. Oh, Lord, Stacks.
Space up to the time they will see my starter representing a young girl of the national level. I will be with the national. This man from 90s, fuck up the link, you know what I have a mind. For my name, I want all this news. To love my news. Also, we shut up, and you want to be these news. Run out of the world, be the saga.
I want to play this shit different. Yo, Uni. Yo, Uni, listen, Uni. Uni. Listen.
We don't have any say the video stacks. High profile international. The Brooklyn 90s.
Oh shit. Hold on.
Yo, DJ stacks in the back from Kishka. We got to see when they went down. Show me to come make a fire from the big team. Just like start with black down from the big time. I said you disappear, you can never be found. We know what a killer, we know this a sing sound. Big beat for your mother tell you keep from. DJ stacks full out of his life, he's down.
Welcome to Jamaica. My Americans is looking at me like, yo, what the fuck is going on? We gonna have fun in here. It's easy. Stacks how me out do all this shit. It's easy. What we talking about? Hold on, Stacks. Hold on, Stacks. Go, tell them. Anybody 25, we know the 30 or better. We know big people music. That's what we call it. Big people music. Stacks. Everybody just bounce. We on the beach. What we talking about? Next week we in Montreal. What we doing now? Motherfest ladies. We got sounds. Philly here, where's Philly at? Philly here. Anybody 30 and over, 35 and better. You know the words of this shit you sing already?
This is the story. My wife got one turned upside down, and I want to take a look, just sit right there. I said, how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Listen, I don't care where you come from. If you know the words, you sing this shit loud. Are you here? Chilling on, relaxing on, or shooting some outside of. Stop thinking. I got it. Nobody ever knows the rest of the fucking words, but what happened to other the TV cut off? I'ma see who's going and sexy in here. I'ma see who's going and sexy in here. Somebody start this shit up. Start this shit up on the flash. She takes on. Everybody
When I walked into the party, you know what Shorty said?
You make me happy.
Nice. 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 Keep it going. She said, Stacks, can I tell you a secret? I said, what? I said, talk to me, baby. She said, oh, shit. Before I leave Mocha Fest, if you energy where I want to step, let's get it one time. Let's go. Sexy. You see my winning team over there? Tell them.
You know I
Tell them. You know that's go. Before I let you.
There's no way I want to
Right now, go! It's a different type of party! Let's go! You got some Mocha Fest? You took heaven. She said, ladies, sing this shit to the top of your lungs! 1, 2, 3, go! I sound hungry. Go! Look at this Wacko! Wacko! Oh, you mean the dance hall boy? Wacko! Oh, God! This is for my ladies. Sing for the Mocha Fest today. Mocha Fest ladies. Anwar. Sing it, sing it, sing it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. I go by the name of DJ Stacks. Shouts to the Mocha Fest ladies. Shouts to my whole team over there. You know the vibes already. It's about to be showtime in this motherfucker. Shouts to the winning team, HPNG Little Squad. It's about to be showtime in this motherfucker. Ladies and gentlemen, you could have been anywhere in the world but you chose Mocha Fest. Give a shout out to DM Sarge. Come on, give me a round of applause. Come on, Sarge at the big of yourself. Jamaica Players Board, Red Strike. Alright, a warm welcome all of you back to the grill. It is Mocha Fest 2023, and when it's Mocha Fest, we do the real shit. We don't fuck around. Alright, we go hard. Now, party people, this beautiful lady been making waves all over the world. This lady been doing a wonderful job. Hold on. Alright, on a step one time. On a step one time. Lolly! Somebody say
vibes are start. Ladies in the good. You're killing them. 90s. Hey, I want to name Lali. Chocolate Tolly. Lali. Girl body. Lali. Chocolate Tolly. Lali. Girl body. I'm say what's up, say. Hey, rock your body, rock your body. Rock your body, rock your body. I was just doing cornflakes. Cornflakes. I was just doing cornflakes. My girl can't cranny. She have a big like a mumpy. Your mumpy, your pussy have a tighty. Tighty, your road have a smally. I wish she say. They just say when your body there, when your body there. When your body there, when your body there. Can't find it, can't. That's a garlic, take it up. Hey, I'm going like a man, then you take it. Hey, tell us I kick down right. If I say anything, tell a boy don't try it. Hey, if you know your headspace not right, cause all in a church you will fight. Through your face, now you go Instagram. Me not see you right and me not see you wrong. From a gun size up, we'll take away. Confront her, gear her up, not take it up. Moms, can you invite them on stage? No, you're not dance. We just want to stand up like a figure eight. Hey, Fluffy, come in, man. Let me down. Let her up. Hey, let her Fluffy. Hey, you know that walk around. Let her up. We just want to sing a song to you. Come here, man. Let her up. Let her up, Fluffy, please. Your friend them, come on, Fluffy. Let her up, Fluffy. Third.
Sashel, you know the artist Lali. Me like him real bad.
My mouth, it can't slip. My face, it and the toilet. Yes, I'm a real no boy riding. You a lolly, my name, girl, I speak. From man, the clean I grow. Bad man, but I never go low. Tell them I talk to like this, you a show me. You a story, just this way, no. I was a night, me a sneaky feet. Hey, Rufus, don't rush me. Keisha, the man, well want it. She promised me a fuck, and me ever need it. Guess what? I'm a SpongeBob thing. I'm a Scooby-Doo thing. Chuck up your pussy is a Pikachu thing. Hey, girl, don't play, make your ball run sing. Guess what? You see my mouth, it can't slip. You see my face, it and the toilet. You see me rain, no boy ride it. You a lolly, my name, drink, girl, I speak. From man, the clean I grow. Lolly coulda never go low. Talk them a talk, girl, at this you a show. Just broke your butt and touch your toe. Bad man, tip in a hit. Lolly, tip in a hit. Jungle man, them a tip in a hit. Broke your back and move your hip. That's what. Lolly, tip in a hit. Put a skin, tip in a hit. Ireland, tip in a hit. Broke your back and move your hip. That's what. My mouth, it can't slip. My face, it and the toilet. You see me real no boy ride it. You a lolly, my name, girl, I speak. From man, look at her grow. Bad man coulda never go low. Tell them I talk, girl, at this here show. Girl, broke your back and touch your toe. Bad man, tip in a hit. She a bop, tip in a hit. But a skank, tip in a hit. Girl, broke your back and move your hip. Guess what? African, tip in a hit. Asian, them, tip in a hit. Indian, them, tip in a hit. Christian man, them, tip in a hit. Guess what? My mouth, it can't slip. You see my face, it and a toilet. You see me rear, no boy ride it. You a lolly, my name, girl, I speak. From one little and a girl. Bad man coulda never go low. Tell them I thought, girl, at this you a show, girl. Broke your back and touch your toe. Them deaf. Them deaf. Them deaf. Ladies, them deaf. Them deaf.
Hey, Diary Dirt. Them deaf.
But how you do it?
Yeah, me clean. Everybody know this. Who make a small man what this? But me know what this. mommy just watch this. I did brand new dance, me I teach it. If you a girl, just smile and show your dimple. Kiddie them know all the thing go. Brand new dance, it's simple. Tear it dirt, show them the thing now. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody catch your bunks, watch ya. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody catch your bunks, watch ya. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody catch your bunks, hey. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody catch your bunks, watch ya. Mama dirt, Papa dirt, brother dirt, sister dirt, uncle dirt, granny dirt. One big, big, big family of dirt, hey. Over Newland, I do the dirt. Rockfort, do the dirt. Jungle, do the dirt. The Valley Garden, I do the dirt. Then I'm done, don't stop dirt. Southside, don't stop dirt. Spoilers, don't stop dirt. Mountain View, don't stop dirt. East side, I do the dirt. West side, I do the dirt. Countryside, I do the dirt. Brogard, I do the dirt. Lockdown time, I still do the dirt. Curfew time, I still do the dirt. Run from police, I still do the dirt. Hide from soldier, I still do the dirt. Hey, dirt bunks, simple. Dirt bunks, simple. Dirt bunks, simple. Dirt bunks, yo, it's simple, yeah. Clean, everybody know this. Mo make us bomb and worthless. Me no worthless, mommy just watch this. I did brand new dance, me I teach it. If you a girl, man I show you dimple. The kitty them know how the thing go. Brand new dance, it's simple. Tear it dirt, show them the thing now. Dirt, bunks, dirt, bunks, dirt, bunks, dirt, bunks, dirt, bunks, dirt, to the bunks, dirt, to the bunks, dirt, to the bunks. Them deaf, them deaf, them deaf, them deaf. Okay, like on it, ref. Hey, yeah, my clean. Everybody know this. Mommy cause bomb and worthless, but me not worthless. Mommy just watch this. I did brand new dance, me I teach it. If you a girl, smile and show you dimple. Kill them know all the thing go. Brand new dance, it's simple. Tear it dirt, show them the thing now. How my name? How my name? How my name? Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. I'm say what's on sale, what's on sale. What's on sale, what's on sale. Cocky over here, cocky over here. Cocky over here, cocky over here. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. Lolly, my girl can't cranny. Cranny, she have a big like a mampy. A mampy, a pussy have a tighty. Tighty, I'm out of a smally. And what she say, The girl say, where your body there, where your body there. Where your body there, where your body there. Can't find it, can't find it. Can't find it, can't find it. Now feel a thing, now feel a thing. Now feel a thing, now feel a thing. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. I'm say what's on sale, what's on sale. What's on sale, what's on sale. Cocky over here, cocky over here. Cocky over here, cocky over here. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. Say my name Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't. I want my dip so, I'm a rock so. Lean back so, and relax so. Girl I said Lolly, oh you hot so. Primo walk, primo talk, primo lift. Baby I want a kiss. So my name Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. I'm say what's on sale, what's on sale. What's on sale, what's on sale. Cocky over here, cocky over here. Cocky over here, cocky over here. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. Lolly, my girl can't cranny. Cranny, she have a big like a mampy. A mampy, a pussy have a tighty. Tighty, I'm out of a smally. And what she say, The girl say, where your body there, where your body there. Where your body there, where your body there. Can't find it, can't find it. Can't find find it, can't find it. Now feel a thing, now feel a thing. Now feel a thing, now feel a thing. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. I miss a what's on sale, what's on sale. What's on sale, what's on sale. Cocky over here, cocky over here. Cocky over here, cocky over here. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. Say my name Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't. I want my dip so, I'm a rock so. Lean back so, and relax so. Girl I said Lolly, oh you hot so. Primo walk, primo talk, primo lift. Baby I want a kiss. So my name Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. Lolly, short and tally. Lolly, can't bally. I miss a what's on sale, what's on sale. What's on sale, what's on sale. Cocky over here, cocky over here. Cocky over here, cocky over here. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water. I want you drink cornflakes and body water. Cornflakes and body water.
Aye, oh man say there. Them deaf. Hey, me never used to sing dancing song. Now me sing dancing song the word God. I mean name Lolly Shotty. Everybody remember me from 2018. I me did sing what's on sale. Now me sing dirt dirt bongs. I me sing tip in a hip monster. About that everybody learn. Hey, Lego the bird, 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 Lego the bird. Hey, Lego the bird. Hey, watch your junker and a eagle, catch your junker and a eagle, catch your junker and a eagle, catch it. Hey, catch your dip. It's not a normal dip. Watch but a sing a dip. And him ice them a drip. Hey, catch a dip. It's not a normal dip. Watch but a sing a dip. And him ice them a drip. It's a fool dog. Fool dog. Back off a flying bird. And you can never stop a bird. No road up here. There's a fly. Hey, me never used to sing dancing song. Now me sing dancing song the word God. I mean name Lolly Shotty. Everybody remember me from 2018. I me did sing what's on sale. Now me sing dirt bongs. I me sing tip in a hip monster of a dance. Everybody learn it. Hey, Lego the bird bye, 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 bye. Watch your junker and a eagle, get your junker and a eagle. Watch your junker and a eagle. Watch it. Hey, watch it dip. It's not a normal dip. Watch but a sing a dip. And him ice them a drip. Catch a dip. It's not a normal dip. Watch but a sing a dip. And him ice them a drip. Man nippy. Yo the man them don't kill the bird. I let go back the bird them. We just do this for fun. You get my monster? We just do this for fun. Don't hurt the birds. And don't cage them up. Make them fight or something.
Surprise them with a bang bang, left them with a bing bing. Everything my sing is a hit ting ting. Tongue a Frankie my vice pan the rhythm dim. Bad mind coulda never stop my thing. Them say I did a one, but me still a win. Now meds them, me I do me own thing. Me not too like the show boating, but the dumb money dog, yo keep me floating. Watch ya. Yeah, and you see me floating, man I float. Yeah, it's not a show boating, man I hide. See me floating like cloud. Yeah, is that a show? Hey, we have a different style so them can't this. The money dumping a load like sting shit. Colonna move like curry so we can't miss. Left the Bringstone and Moby in a plastic. We set a link with NCB. Couple dog yo from Poche. Me not too like the show boating, but the dumb money dog yo keep me floating. But yeah, floating. And you see me floating, yeah. A bang, left them with a bing. Everything me sing is a hit thing. Tongue a Frankie my vice pan the rhythm. Bad mind coulda never stop my thing. Them so you did a one.
Everybody, this is called dancing time. Get your shoulders ready. Get your shoulders ready. Everybody. Watch it, man. And shoulder fear. Watch it, man. Watch it, man.
If you not like that.
If you still smell good, everybody put 2 hands in the air right now. Everybody hands up. We're going to see your left. See your left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Man from 90s, like a baby, kill me, like a hard rock and kill me, all this news of your culture, like 7 series. Speak with it like we do it, so not aching.
Holy shit, take a seat.
Big wise girls.
We're celebrating the birthday in a bit. What the birthday is at, huh? I'm not tired, let's party. Everybody, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ati! Now you want to say hi. Bounce, 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 bounce. Go ice, go ice, go ice, go ice, go ice, go the more you drink, the more we party. Let's go. What's your tone? What you say? Come on! Slow your sound. Hold on. We still fucking going. Shake it, shake it. And what? We go. Yes. What the fuck people in there just motherfucker real quick? Come on, talk to me. I'm a roller nigga, but I make that cool. Cause you be on the road. Gunman style, gunman fire, be a killer with problems. I'm the juvenile. I'm the alumni. What else? Badness, where them must be. And we have up in at the citadel, where them must be. See little chip, bad clouds for all. We know this your church, where them must be. What else? Badness, where them must be. And we have up in at the citadel, where them must be. See little chip, bad clouds for all. We know this your church, where them must be. I can't keep no fraction. We got soldiers, shut that door, just shut the fuck If you're ready for Steph London, clap it up! 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 Steph London, all the way from London.
What would you guys want? Let know about.
He's like, you gonna go remix stuff?
Okay, I see some pretty girls in here tonight. Listen, this NAS ain't working, so I can't even really hear how I'm sounding right now. It's really mad right now. But run the rhythm the same way. Let's go. Alright. That
Ready when you don't need charging. Feel everything till we falling. You love when me touch up your body and when me right from your jacket, me bloody promise that you're never gonna leave. When you love me, your body, your woman, purpose so happy, we are there, that's nobody can stand. You know you love me, never pass me. What the fuck you mean? See you with me now.
Steph, you ready for the next one?
What is the next one?
No judge.
Do you guys know that 16 Shots is my biggest shoot? And I shoot the video right here in Jamaica. My mom is in the video. I'm over 200 million views. So if you know this, I'm waiting to sing the fucking song. Right now.
No judge.
So far by here.
Something in there? Yeah, you want something in there? Come on. You want no cover? You want this a fine paper? Yeah. Finance. finally up.